That's it. I'm never going to the dentist again. If I can't even brush my own back teeth without gagging like I just swallowed a bug, I don't deserve oral hygiene.
Let me guess. You tried to brush your wisdom teeth, triggered your gag reflex, and almost threw up in the sink?
It's not funny. My body's hardware is completely flawed. I need a manual override.
You actually do have a manual override for that. You're just using the wrong software. Tomorrow morning, when you brush your back teeth, I want you to hum.
Hum? Like a song?
Just make a continuous humming sound. Your gag reflex is a protective mechanism, but humming requires you to actively control your vocal cords and your breathing simultaneously. Your brain cannot process the complex physical action of humming and trigger the involuntary spasm of the gag reflex at the same time.
So the humming basically crashes the gag software.
Exactly. It overrides the signal. Try it right now. Take your toothbrush, stick it all the way back there, and hum.
Wait, I don't feel the tickle in my throat at all.
Because you're distracted. You're welcome. Now, can we talk about why the thermostat was set to 60 degrees last night? It was freezing.
Because I had night sweats again. I woke up drenched. I had to blast the AC just to stop feeling like I was trapped in a sauna.
Blasting the AC cools down the room, but it takes way too long to lower your core body temperature. You don't need to freeze the whole house, just use your body's built-in radiator.
My radiator? What, am I supposed to pant like a dog?
No, just stick 1 foot out from under your blanket.
1 foot? One single foot is going to fix a full-body sweat?
Yes, the soles of your feet are covered in specialized blood vessels that act like heat exchange valves. When you expose the bottom of your foot to the cool air in the room, the blood rushing through your foot cools down quickly. That chilled blood then circulates back through your body, rapidly dropping your core temperature. It's incredibly efficient.
So I'm freezing you out for no reason. I just need to dangle a foot?
Dangle the foot. Save on the electric bill.
Come on, not now.
Did you drink your coffee too fast again?
I was stressed about the gagging. Now my diaphragm is having a panic attack. Let me guess, you have a manual override for this too?
I do. Go get a glass of water. Okay, now I need you to plug both of your ears with your fingers, as tight as you can.
How am I supposed to drink the water if my fingers are in my ears?
Use the straw. Plug your ears and take 5 slow, continuous gulps of water through the straw.
It's gone. How?
It's all about the vagus nerve. That nerve runs from your brain right past your ears all the way down to your diaphragm. When you have the hiccups, the vagus nerve is irritated. By plugging your ears, you stimulate the branches of the nerve in your ear canal. Swallowing the water stimulates the back of your throat. It forces the nerve to focus on those new sensations, breaking the spasm cycle.
I am literally a machine.
You are. A very clumsy one.
Well, this clumsy machine is going to work. Are you kidding me? The static electricity in this house is lethal.
Dry air, fuzzy socks, metal tray. You were a walking battery waiting to discharge.
Is there a hack for not getting electrocuted every morning, or do I just accept my fate?
Stop touching metal with your fingertips first. Your fingertips are packed with thousands of sensitive nerve endings. When the static charge jumps from your finger to the metal, it hyperstimulates all of them at once, which is why it stings.
So what do I touch it with? My elbow?
Just use the flat of your palm. When you go to grab a doorknob or your keys, slap your open palm against the metal first. The skin on your palm is thicker, the nerve endings are spread out, and the surface area is larger. The electricity still discharges, but you barely feel it.
Nothing. Not even a tingle.
Manual override complete. You are free to go.
I'm humming at the sink, dangling a foot in bed, plugging my ears to drink, and slapping doors. People are going to think I've lost my mind.
Maybe, but at least you won't be gagging, sweating, hiccuping, and getting electrocuted while they judge you.
Fair point. Thanks. See ya.